our Anatomy Minute. So we're going to start from the ground up, working from our feet up, and today's anatomy piece is the Quadratus Plantae. I'm sure you've heard of that one before. So it's an intrinsic foot muscle. And this is Herman's foot. So this is the top of it. I'm going to flip it over to the bottom of it. And it's the blue one. The Quadratus Plantae connects from your heel, or your calcaneus, and it actually moves into a muscle, or the tendons of a muscle, called the fibularis longus, which is going to be our next anatomy minute. What this muscle does is it brings your heel to your toes and your toes to your heels. So it kind of scrunches it this way and this way. And it's one of the key muscles to maintain the arch and stability of the foot. When people have plantar fasciitis, oftentimes what happens is their plantar fascia is overstretched. And what happens is you go and you try and get some therapy and they stretch the plantar fascia more and more and more. And that darn plantar fasciitis just never goes away. Well, I recommend stop stretching the plantar fascia and start strengthening the Quadratus Plantae. And that is your Anatomy Minute for the day. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you found this information interesting and enlightening and you would like some more, please go to the link or QR code on the screen and you can download my ultimate joint pain eliminator starter kit. You'll also be put on my email newsletter. Each week you'll get a workout, a recipe, one of my favorite products, as well as a quote. So if you want to become part of my ohana, go there and I will see you soon. Aloha.